This is a big city in China. Can you name that city? Give up in the comments section below. If you said Shanghai, you're wrong. It's actually Beijing. But these aren't just random pictures of Beijing. They were all taken from the same spot. Can you guess where? How about now? Still can't guess it. Okay, here's a hint. All of these photos were taken from an observation deck. Think you know where? Well, here's the answer. All of these photos were taken at the Beijing Tower, also known as the CCTV Tower. It's the tallest building in Beijing and the fourth tallest building in China. The tower is 54 stories tall and was completed in 2009. It has a distinctive design with 3 separate towers that are connected together. The building is located in the business district of Beijing and offers stunning views of the city. The building is also home to a number of restaurants, bars, and nightclubs. In this video, we will take a closer look at the CCTV tower and show you some amazing views of Beijing that were captured from the observation deck. Let's get started. First, we will take a look at the famous Bird's Nest. The Bird's Nest is a large multi-purpose stadium that was built for the 2008 Summer Olympics. The stadium has a capacity of 80,000 and is now used for football and other events. The Bird's Nest is one of the most recognizable landmarks in Beijing and is a popular tourist destination. In this photo, you can see the Bird's Nest in the distance. The stadium is surrounded by several smaller buildings, and the overall impression is one of a very large complex. Next, we will look at another famous landmark, the Forbidden City. The Forbidden City is a vast palace complex that was the home of Chinese emperors for over 500 years. The complex covers a huge area and includes many palaces, temples, and gardens. In this photo, you can see the Forbidden City in the middle distance. The complex looks very peaceful and serene. Now let's take a look at Tiananmen Square. Tiananmen Square is a large public square that is located in the heart of Beijing. The square is surrounded by several important government buildings, including the Forbidden City and the Great Hall of the People. In this photo, you can see Tiananmen Square in the bottom left corner of the photo. There are many people and vehicles in the square. Here's another shot of the city. In this photo, you can see the modern skyscrapers of Beijing's financial district. The buildings are very tall and impressive and reflect the country's booming economy. You can also see some of the city's iconic red buses. Here's a close-up of one of Beijing's skyscrapers. The building is very tall and thin and looks like a needle in the photo. This building is actually called the China World Trade Center. It's one of the tallest buildings in Beijing and was completed in 2008. Next, we will take a look at the Temple of Heaven. The Temple of Heaven is a large complex that was built in the 5th–10th century. The complex includes several temples and altars that were used by Chinese emperors to pray for good harvest. The Temple of Heaven is now a popular tourist destination and is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. You can see the Temple of Heaven in the top right corner of the photo. The temple looks very old and traditional. Here's a photo of the Beijing skyline at night. The city looks very beautiful and the lights twinkle in the darkness. This is definitely a view that you would love to see in person. And finally, here's a photo of the CCTV tower itself. The tower is very modern and futuristic looking. And the building has become an icon of Beijing. So what do you think of the views from the Beijing Tower? Would you like to visit? Let us know in the comments section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.